State legislative strength and the legislative assembly of इसकी मिनिमम जो है 60 होना चाहिए और 500 होना, अबव जो है 500 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. Strength of the legislative assembly on the various is from 60 to 500 different state according to the population. Term 5 year but can be dissolved earlier by governor. Term can be extended 1 year at the by permanent during national emergency. Legislative Assembly in a citizen of India 25-year age. ROP Act, Office of Profit. Legislative Assembly is also called as Vidhan Sabha. Disqualification. Rules of profit. Discharge of insolvency and bankrupt. For acquiring foreign citizen voluntary. Unsound mind. Disqualification of ROP Act. Alhamdulillah. The presiding officer of the Legislative Assembly the Speaker. He is elected by a member of Assembly from among themselves. The Assembly is also elected Deputy Speaker who perform the duties of Speaker in his absence. In India, India is a quasi-federal state with unity until role of governor. Parliament may by law provide for the abolition of the legislation council. A state having such council or for the creation of such council in a state having no such council. If the legislative assembly of the state passes a resolution to that elected by a majority of the total membership of the assembly and by the majority not less than 2/3 of the members of the assembly present in the voting. Parliament may be law provide for the abolition of a legislative council of a state having a such council or for the creation of a such council in a state having no such council. If the legislative assembly of the state passes a resolution to that affected by the majority of the total membership of the assembly and by the majority of not less than 2/3 of the member of the house permanent of voting. If the upper house in of the state legislative and contain various categories of member and the member of the legislative council elected. 1/3 of the member are elected by legislative assembly. 1/3 of member are elected by local bodies. 1/3 of the members are elected by the teachers. 1/3 member are elected by the universities. 1/6 of member nominated by the governor. 1/3 1/12 1/12 1/6